Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Thursday, July 21st. Stocks on Wall Street opened solidly higher as investors digest a wave of corporate earnings along with a big deal in the healthcare industry and the latest news on the labor market. 418,000 Americans filed for first-time unemployment benefits last week, up 10,000 from the previous week. Economists had been expecting the number to decline. The latest figures did include 1,750 state workers in Minnesota who filed for temporary benefits during a brief government shutdown that has now ended. But the 4-week average of jobless claims, which is a more accurate gauge of employment trends, dropped to its lowest level since late April. Despite that decline, the data continue to show that companies remain reluctant to hire.
In M&A news, pharmacy benefits manager Express Scripts is buying rival Medco Health Solutions for more than $29 billion in cash and stock. The per-share price of $71.36 represents a 28% premium over Medco's closing price yesterday. And today, the stock is coming close to matching that level, up nearly 20% right now. Express Scripts is also solidly higher, gaining 7%. Elsewhere in the healthcare industry, Eli Lilly reported an 11% decline in second quarter earnings due to higher charges and operating expenses. Shares of the drug maker are modestly higher in early trading. But the day's biggest winner may be Morgan Stanley. It's soaring nearly 6% after its second quarter loss was smaller than expected. Revenue at the financial firm jumped to more than $9 billion, also topping estimates.
Two members of the Dow Industrials are out with their quarterly results this morning. AT&T reported a 10% drop in its second quarter profit as subscription additions and voice revenue slowed. But that actually beat expectations, and AT&T said mobile broadband growth continues to be strong. Right now, the stock is up about 0.5%. But shares of Travelers are losing ground in early trading. The insurer swung to a loss of $364 million in the latest quarter. That fell short of even lowered analyst estimates, after the company warned last month that it was facing record catastrophe costs. Travelers said massive tornado outbreaks in April and May, combined with other disasters, cost it more than $1 billion after taxes. Another Dow component, Microsoft, is due to release its quarterly results after today's closing bell.
After yesterday's closing bell, Intel and eBay both reported earnings that beat expectations. eBay is rising on the news, but shares of Intel are dropping 2.5% on concerns about its plan to increase spending. Another stock decliner this morning is PepsiCo, down more than 3% right now. Its second quarter profit jumped 18% on strong snack and beverage sales in emerging markets. But Pepsi warned that its results may be lower than expected going forward due to challenging conditions in developed markets and higher commodity costs. And finally, keep an eye on shares of United Continental Holdings. Its profit declined 12% on higher fuel costs and charges related to the integration of the two airlines. But the company's revenue growth was better than expected, and the stock is rising more than 2%. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.